Hello everyone. I welcome you again. Now see, in the first part, in the first video, in the previous video, we have studied about the just the pre-requirements of the Heron's formula. That means we have studied some basic concepts that we have studied in previous classes. Now here also we will be continuing with that basic concepts only. Okay. We will not study in this video about Heron's formula. Okay, we will study about area of a equilateral triangle, area of a isosceles triangle. So let us first do equilateral triangle. Now from previous video we know that in equilateral triangle all sides are equal. That means if it is the ABC are known as vertex and AB, BC and AC are known as sides. So in equilateral triangle all these sides are equal. If this is 6 centimeter, this is 6, this is 6. If this is 8, this will be 8, this will be 8. Okay. Now here it is written that every median is also an altitude. Now to find an area of a triangle, what was the formula? The formula was half into base into height. Okay. Now here see, so we have to find out the altitude or height. Now in equilateral triangle there is one property. Remember that this is property. Okay, every median is also an altitude and a bisector. Now bisector means if you draw a median, we have studied the median in a very detailed way in my previous video. If somebody have not watched it, please watch it. Okay. Now we will draw a vertex from A. So we will draw a median from vertex A to the opposite side. Now what is the opposite side of vertex A? It is BC. So it will intersect the BC at D. Now we know that median divides the side into two equal sides. Okay, that means it will become how much? BD equal to DC. So if it is 8 centimeter, the BC will be also 8 centimeter and AC will be also 8 centimeter, but BD will be 4 centimeter and this will be 4 centimeter. Okay, so now see here every median is also in bisector. So we have found out the meaning of bisector. Now is also in altitude. Now if you remember, altitude is always perpendicular to the base. Okay, that means it will make 90-degree here also and here also. In our previous video I have told I have studied you that altitude is also is always perpendicular to the base. So here what will be the height? Median will be the height and so median will be the height and BC will be the side. So remember that in an equilateral triangle the median is the height. Okay, the median is the height or altitude. Okay, because in equilateral triangle median is perpendicular to the side on which it is drawn. Okay, so to understand it more clearly, let us do with an example. Suppose find the area of a equilateral triangle whose side is 10 centimeter. That means one equilateral triangle is there whose side is how much? That means this is also 10 centimeter, this is also 10 centimeter and this is also 10 centimeter. Let us take this A, B, C. And what is the what the question is asking? The question is asking that find the area of a equilateral triangle. For equilateral triangle all sides are equal. Okay, now here given side is how much? Given side is equal to 10 centimeter. We can consider this as base also. Okay, it is equal to base also. But do we have height? See, this is not the height, this is not the height. Okay, only base is given. We can take any one side and take that as base. So let us take side is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, now to find height we will use this property. Now see here it is, every median is also an altitude and a bisector. Now we will draw a median from A, from vertex A to D. Okay, let us take this as D. Now let BC is equal to 10 centimeter. So BD will be equal to DC. Okay, let BC and AD a median to BC. Okay, so BD will be equal to DC. It will be equal to how much? C. Median is a what? Every median is a bisector. That means it will divide the side BC into two equal parts. Now here BC is equal to how much? 10 centimeters. So BD will be equal to 5. This will be also equal to 5. So BD and DC will be equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. Now area of a triangle is given by half into base into height. Okay, now see here, this is constant, no problem. Now base is here, we have taken, we don't have the height. Okay, we don't have height or altitude, so what we will do, we'll try to find out the height of a equilateral triangle. Now here AD is the median, and we know in the property every median is also an altitude. That means if somehow we can find the height of if we somehow we can find the length of median, then that is the altitude. So now see, every median is also an altitude, and we know altitude is perpendicular to base, and altitude is median in equilateral triangle. Okay, now see here, so that means this is making 90 degree. Okay, now in triangle this is a right angle triangle, yes or no? Because one angle is 90 degrees. So in a right angle triangle ADB, we can use Pythagoras theorem to find AD. Using Pythagoras theorem. So what is the, so what will be, so we can take out this one, A, D and B. So this is 5 and this is 10. Now we have to find AD. Now in Pythagoras theorem, what is the here hypotenuse will come here. AB square will be equal to square of the sum of the other two sides. That means it will be equal to BD square plus AD square. Now we have to find the AD square. That means AD square will be equal to, see, BD square will go that side. That means it will become AB square minus BD square. Now AB square is how much? AB square is your, AB is given here 10 square minus BD is how much? 5 square. So this will become, your 100 minus 25. Okay, AD square will be equal to how much? So this will become how much? Your 75. Now see here. Okay, AD will become how much? It will become under root 75. Now under root 75 can be written as 5 into 5, how much? 25. 25 into 3 is equal to 75. So this will become, now see here, 2 5 is there, so we will take out 1 5. When under root is there, if there is 2 number, then 1 number will come out, so 5 will come out. Now how many numbers are there here? Only 3 is there, so 3 will remain like this. So AD is equal to how much? 5 under root 3 centimeters. So this is our altitude. Okay, AD is altitude, or because we know altitude is median. Now AD is the median also. Okay, now we have find out the AD equal to 5 root 3 centimeter, yes or no? So that means half into base is how much? Base will be this total BC, and what will be height will be your AD. So what is the length of BC? Half into BC is your 10 centimeter, and AD is how much? 5 under root 3 centimeter. So 2 centimeter is there, so it will become centimeter square, and this will become 10 into 5 root 3 divided by 2. Now we can cancel 10 and 2, so it will become 5. So your area will become 5 into 5 root 3 centimeter square. That means it will be equal to 25 root 3 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the way to find the area of an equilateral triangle. Okay, so we have to use median. We have to know median. We have to know what is the property of median. So everything that uh, we have studied in a detailed way in this example. Okay, so let us do now. Please watch the video once more. Okay, so let us now find the area of isosceles triangle. Okay, using the median. Now see, since in equilateral triangle every median is an altitude and bisector, yes or no? So we know that in a triangle how many medians are there? There are 3 sides and 3 vertex, so there will be 3 medians. But in isosceles triangle, median for the unequal sides is also bisector and altitude. That means if AB is equal to AC, okay, that means these are equal. If this is 3, this is also 3, so this BC will be not equal to the other 2 sides. Okay, then median for the unequal sides, that means we have to draw a median to the unequal side. Now which one is the unequal side here? BC is the unequal side, so this median will be is a bisector. That means it will divide the side BC into 2 equal parts. That means if AD is median, if AB equal to AC, if AB equal to AC, then AD is a median. Okay, then this AD will divide BC into 2 equal parts. That means BD will be equal to DC, and median for the unequal side is also bisector and altitude, and we know that altitude is always perpendicular. That means it will be how much? It will be 90 degree. Okay, so for this triangle BC will be base. That means in isosceles triangle the unequal side will be base and the median will be your height. Okay, so to understand it more clearly, let us do this with an example. Okay, now see here it is given to find the area of a isosceles triangle whose equal sides are 5 centimeter and unequal side is 8 centimeter. So here a triangle is given PQ. Let triangle is there, we name that triangle as PQ and R, where 2 sides are equal. Okay, so 2 sides means here it will be PQ and PR is equal, so they are 5 centimeter, and QR is how much? QR is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, now we know that median for the unequal sides is also bisector and altitude. That means PD is a median to unequal side. Okay, PD is a median to which one is the unequal side here? QR, because PQ and PR is 5 centimeter and QR is 8 centimeter. Okay, but and see median is also altitude. Okay, so since PD is a median to QR, QD will be equal to DR, and it will be equal to how much? Both will be divided into equal halves, so this will become 4 centimeter. And we know that median for the unequal sides in isosceles triangle is a altitude. Okay, so that means PD will become perpendicular to QR. Okay, so now we have to we know that the BC is the base. In here BC is the unequal side, so BC is the base. So here base is which one? Unequal side. Which one is unequal side? Is QR, but we don't know what is the height. Here PD is the height. Okay, so how to find PD? Now see, in triangle PDQ, it is a right angle triangle. Okay, so we can use Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras we can get that PQ square, that means hypotenuse, this is in PDQ, PQ square is equal to the square of the other 2 sides. Sum of the 2 sides means QD square plus PD square. So we have to find PD square, so it will implies that PD square is equal to PQ square minus QD square. Now PQ is how much? It is 5 square. It is PQ is 5. QD is how much? QD is your, so this is QD, this will be your 4 centimeter. So this will become your 25 minus 16. Okay, so this will your become PD square is equal to 9 centimeter. So from here we can implies that PD is how much? It is under root 9. Okay, this will be centimeter square. So PD is so it will become 3 centimeter. Okay, now we have got the value of PD. So PD is the height, we know this. So what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So here what is the base? Base is equal to QR. So what is the value of QR? It is 8 centimeter. So here it will come 8. What is height? We know in isosceles triangle, median is altitude. Median is altitude. Okay, median for the unequal sides is altitude. Now the other name of altitude is height. So here PD is the median here. So PD will be altitude, or you can say PD is the height. So PD will become 3. So this will be equal to, it will be centimeter square. Now you can cut this one, this will become 4. Okay, so 4 into 3 centimeter square, that means it will become your 12 centimeter square. Okay, 12 centimeter square. So when median is given, when means these are not, but whatever we have studied here, these are not your Heron's formula. Okay, in Heron's formula we will use a term known as perimeter, and then again semi perimeter. Okay, and only sides will come. There are no half, base, there nothing will come. Okay, so I think these things you all have studied very properly in your earlier classes, but then also I have just made this video so that you can revise those basic important concepts. Okay, so in equilateral triangle and in isosceles triangle, while using this formula, that half into base into height, we have to find out median. Always remember that. Okay, if sides are given, then we have to find median. By finding median, we can use the median for finding out the area of the given triangle. Okay, so in the next video we will be studying about Heron's formula. But before that, I want all of you to watch these two videos that I have prepared, to watch it very carefully. Okay, so it will become much more easier. Okay, thank you.